sir. This is Kadit Dave Duetes, and this is our video form activity. First, velocity in the resistance of a fluid, liquid or gas to a change in shape or movement of neighboring portion relative to one other. Viscosity denotes opposition to flow. Second, the IMO 2020 regulation limits sulfur in shape fuel oil to a maximum 0.5%. The regulation has been in force globally since 1 January 20. Under IMO's Marpol treaty with benefits for the environment and human health from a reduction in sulfur oxides in the air. Next, the ignition quality is a measure of the relative is by which the fuel will ignite. It is measured by CT number for the distillate fuels. The higher the number, the more easily will the fuel ignite inside the engine. For relative density or specific gravity, the ratio of the density of a reference material's specific gravity for liquids is nearly always measured with respect to water at its densest. For gases, the reference is air at room temperature. 5. The plus point. The plus point of materials is the lowest liquid temperature at which, under certain standardized conditions, a liquid gives off vapors in a quantity such as the capable of forming an inevitable vapor-air mixture.